how many brains do you think you have? Or how many minds do you think you have? Well, in actuality, you have 4 minds or 4 brains, you know. When you look at that, this is a nut, a walnut shape of brain. Well, got right hemisphere, left hemisphere. Well, that is up there, right? The bottom half, well, that is the conscious and kind of like the superconscious mind in a sense, with the crown chakra and shit like that. But then underneath it has the same thing, like mirrored, like the another 2 parts to it, which is like the unconscious and subconscious mind. So in actuality, you actually have like the unconscious mind, the subconscious mind, which is kind of like your gut and the rest of your body, your emotional memory, your physical memory, your spiritual memory, your financial memory, your architect memory, your mental memory, you have your creation memory, you have your transcendence memory, your source memory, your archangel memory, you have your guardian memory, you have your ascended master memory, and then you have your Owl-013 memory, and then you have your self memory, like the memory of like who you are as a thrice great being, as a transcendent singularity self, which is what the playlist number 8 is all about, the transcendent singularity self. There's like a ton of videos, really detailed ones, that go into different aspects of yourself, like you defining your strengths, knowing your strengths, your traits, your habits, your skills, and also knowing your unbalanced habits, the things that you really want as a being.
Hey mate, you alright? Right, Paul. Nice to meet you. Where are you, man?
It'll be on YouTube.
Do you want one of these?
No. That's cool. Thank you. That's the people of Manchester, like, you know, it's just everybody's bubbly and carefree and all of that, and it's like this, between your minds, between your unconscious mind, conscious mind, and subconscious mind, and superconscious mind, there is this thin layer of like a layer, basically, like a colorful layer, like this colorful thing behind me, this bird. There's Juju bird. Look at that Juju bird. And this is like the veil between the manifest and the unmanifest. And you can break through this veil. It's literally an invisible, illusory Maya. I think of it like as the Satan, as devil, as shaitan, as jinn, as Diablo, as the devil, as Lucifer, playing tricks on you, making you think that there is an invisible, illusory veil between you and the unborn, undying, and manifest, which is not. It's just an illusion. And when you let that go, you eat your own shit, you break through the other layer of the illusion. Now, just eat it. Break it apart. Eat your own cum. Eat your own sacred fluid. Break the illusion. Break the illusory perception of thinking that there is any separation between you and the thing, your mind, your conscious, unconscious, subconscious, and superconscious mind, and between the mind of Prakriti, the transcendental absolute source creator. There is not. It's just an illusion. And you can only break free of the illusion by first acknowledging that the illusion exists, that Maya exists, that time exists, as an illusion. Because when you acknowledge it, you're able to transcend it. You're able to like place like this container around it that allows you to break free of the illusion, break free of the veil within you first. Because until it doesn't happen within you, you won't be able to break free of the universal cosmic infinitum singularity's veils. There are so many different layers and veils that basically there's invisible line of energy that separates different dimensions from each other, so they don't fuck about with each other too much. But you gotta understand is like when you look at the honeycomb, the web of the honey, that's how it is. Like all the universe exists like that together. There is just this invisible barrier between them, between the different swans. So the swan cosmic mystic can be. It's like, and look at that art. Ain't that pretty cool? Yes, guys. Nice one. Oops. Yes, bro. Manchester is a place where everybody's just blazing. I've been blazing for 3 fucking years straight, and I was like every day. You're just laughing every day. It's like when you break free of the veil, you're able to perceive the eternal exotic beauty, the eternal cutie that is within us, this exotic being inside all of us. So yeah, I'm gonna say bye to you guys, gotta say hi to these ones. Let's see what they do. Bye bye. Break free of the veil, yeah? Remember that.